Now I can move my stop above what I paid. Boom, profitable trade. Move my stop above what I paid. Boom, profitable trade. Everybody see what I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
Move my stop up. There you go. Just made money. PBM consolidating. This is bullish so far. This has to stay up above 3924 here. What I'm going on, everybody, is these two bodies. See these bodies? And right here, this is so far support. If it breaks that, I don't want nothing. Boom. I don't want nothing to do with it. Right? See it? Now what I'm doing is I'm looking for a buy order. Here we go. This touched 373 with support. Right here, I'm going to do a small entry here. See if we can get a bounce. If it doesn't, I'm going to get out immediately. If we get a bounce right here, come on. I'm barely making money. It's like $5-10 at a time. Boom, I'll take that though. Sold it at 30. Let me see what I got out of it. 1,000 shares off the bounce of 373. Let me flip my screen. It was tiny, but that's because it was sitting here. Hold on, let me look. Yeah, I made 15 whole dollars on that trade. This was the buy. This was the sell. See it? Just like that. That was nice. And now look at it. It keeps pushing up here. That was this 373. This is where I picked it up. Bounced. Boom. And it went all the way up to 417, which is its high of day area. See it? So this is resistance and this is support.